Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will teach you how to create a thumbnail. Don't you know that thumbnail is very important in your video because it attracts your viewers and your subscribers for you to reach your watch hour goal. So it is really very important. So here, I will teach you how to create and how to put it in your own video. So let's go! Hello guys! So here, I will teach you the video tutorial on how to create a thumbnail. Okay, so first, all you have to do is to install the application, which is the PixArt. You have to install it in the Google Play or in the Google Store. Okay, so because the PixArt is the application that we are going to use in creating the thumbnail. Okay, so after you install the PixArt in your phone, all you have to do is to open it. Okay, so there you can see the feature of the PixArt. Okay, so you have to click the plus sign here, plus sign. Okay, then you have to look for the background. Okay, the color background. So here you can see different color backgrounds. So all you have to do is to choose what background do you like. So if you don't have any backgrounds here that you don't like, you will also search in the Google. Okay, so you can search background in the Google. So just type background. Okay, background design, then images. Okay, so there. So you can choose as many as you can. Okay, so let's go back to the PixArt. Okay, so there. I will choose the color blue because that is my favorite color. Okay, so there. So after choosing that background, all you have to do is to click the tools and then you click the crop. Okay, so it is automatically crop. Then you choose the size of the YouTube. So here 16 by 9:9, that is the YouTube size. Okay, so it is also automatically cropped upon choosing the size of the YouTube. Then click the check sign. So there. So that is now the size of the YouTube. So after that, all you have to do is to add your photo. Okay, you click the add and you choose any of your photos in your phone or in your gallery. Okay, so I will choose my photo. Then you click add at the top of the phone there. So you click add. Okay, so you can resize it. Something like that. Okay, so now if you want to remove the background in the photo, all you have to do is to click the cutout there, the scissor sign. You click the cutout, okay, and then you click the select. Then the person, because the image that you want to get or that you want to see is only the person. So you click the person. Okay, so there you can see the color red in the image of the person that you want to take. Okay, so for you to clean or to see if the photo is okay, so you can check it. So you can have this eraser, click it again and check or clean the background that you want to see or to, what's that, to get. It's like that. Okay, so there. Okay, okay, so that's it. Then click the save there at the top of the phone. Oh, that's it. So it's already removed the background of the photo. Okay, so you can move it anywhere, any side of the background. Okay, you can just close it because it is already saved in the sticker. So if you want to get that photo, you have to click the sticker. Okay, click the sticker, my sticker, cutouts. So there, you can see the picture. Okay, just click the picture, then that's it. So you can put the picture anywhere. Okay, you can put it in the center, in the right side, or in the left side. So I will put it in the left side. So there. Then after that, you have to go to the text because you have to write the title of your video in your thumbnail. So let's say, for example, the title of my video a while ago is all about let's say, for example, what is the best title? Bulong ng simoy, for example. Bulong ng simoy. Bulong ng simoy. Okay, just click the check sign and you can resize it there. Okay, then you can also change the font color. Okay, so you can choose here any color that you want. Okay, so you can also change the font size. Just click the font, then you choose the font style. Okay, so lots of font style here. Okay, that's it. Then after that, there, you double click. Yes. So what else? So if you want to put the sticker in that background, you can choose sticker. You can click sticker. Then you can also search the sticker that you want. So let's say, for example, because Bulong ng Simo is all about trees, so I will choose trees, nature. Okay, so there. Okay, you have to choose the stickers that you want. Okay, so here I will choose the tree. Is the better this one. Okay, you just remove the ads. It has okay, there. So you can insert that in your background. Okay, so that is very simple. Okay, very simple thumbnail. So if you want to save it, you just click the check sign there and save. Okay, yes, it is already saved, and then click the save. save on your device. Okay, so let us see if it is already saved in the device. Okay, so let's go to the gallery, then all photos. Yeah, there. So this is it. Okay, that is very simple on how to create a thumbnail. So now I will teach you how to put the thumbnail, our created thumbnail, in the video. Okay, so let's go to our YouTube account. Okay, let's go to our YouTube account, then click your YouTube studio under account. So there you can see the pencil image. You click that. Okay, then click it again. So there, as you can see, there are suggested thumbnail if you want that to put that in your video. But if you want to put your created thumbnail a while ago, just click the custom thumbnail and then click our created thumbnail. So there, click the select. Okay, then click the save. Okay, just wait for a minute, then it will appear on your video. Okay, so let us see if it is there. Yeah, that's it. So as simple as that, very simple. Okay, so let's go to our YouTube. Let us see if it is really there. Okay, bulong ng simoy, where are you? Okay, bulong ng simoy, yes, there. Okay guys, that's it. That's very easy and simple. Okay?
Hello guys! So yan ang tamang paraan kung paano mag-create ng thumbnail. So sana ay marami kayong natutunan sa video tutorial kong ito at i-apply nyo sa inyong video. So hopefully, dumami ang inyong mga subscribers at ang inyong watch hour. Enjoy creating your thumbnail. Don't forget to subscribe sa mga first time pa lamang na mag-watch ng aking video. Please subscribe to my channel, like my video, and hit the notification bell for you to be updated kung ano man ang mga videos na i-upload ko. Mag-leave din ng comment kung ano ang masasabi nyo sa tutorial na ito. And don't forget to share para makatulong din kayo sa ibang mga small YouTuber na gaya natin, lalong-lalo na yung mga baguhan pa lamang. So yan ang isang tips na ibibigay ko sa inyo, ang pag-create ng thumbnail. So that's all. And enjoy guys!